Despite presence of soldiers in Lekki Toll Plaza, see what protesters were chanting. Just a while ago, reports came in that armed policemen and soldiers have been deployed in the Lekki Toll Plaza in Lagos in what appears to be an attempt to foster another round of EndSARS protests. Recently, the Lagos Police Command warned against EndSARS protests across the state, and even more recently, Ogun State Police has given the same warning. According to the Punch, motorists informed them that the security operatives were deployed around midnight to foster protests planned for today. But despite the presence of these policemen and soldiers at the Toll Plaza today, protesters have still filed out in their teeming numbers, and in a video surfaced on Twitter, you can hear them loud and clear chanting, "We no go gree o, we no go gree. SARS must go, we no go gree." There was even a drone flying above over the area, probably to record the happenings at the protest ground. Thank you for listening to this news. You cannot fight the youth. You cannot, no matter who you are, no matter the number of security force that is being deployed, the federal government cannot fight the youth. The youth are just too much to fight. You will kill them, but they will not back out. The best thing for you is to hear their request and answer them. What they have requested is not too much. It's not too much. What they have requested is just what you know that is very, very necessary, and these are the things that you made promise to in your manifesto. So why is it now difficult for you to attend to this request? Why is it difficult? That is the problem with our government. They will make a promise and they will not fulfill it. You see that? And that is why it is very, very hard for one to believe a politician. This is the reason why I said what I said during the Edo gubernatorial election when Obaseki was tendering his manifestos. I said, this is not time to believe any manifesto. As far as I'm concerned, no matter the number of manifestos in that booklet, as far as I'm concerned, that booklet is empty. That's what I said. That booklet is empty because the moment you present all those manifestos and it succeed in coming into power, and after coming into power, he ends up not being able to do as promised. Abba, I tell you, then it automatically becomes an empty manifesto, just like the one President Mubarak has just presented. The President Muhammad Buhari made a lot of promises, most especially to the Northerners. It's so unfortunate that the Northerners are receiving the backside of the manifesto, and it is very good for them because they are the one that invited him, they are the one that requested for him, and now they have seen him. So let them make do with him. They should not complain because that is what they asked for, and now they are getting it. It is good. It's very good that everything is happening, so everyone will be seeing it. See, in the case of the Northerners, I won't lie to you, even where everybody is showing sympathy to them, I never showed any sympathy. Because they have all the opportunity to live a better life. They have every opportunity to live a better life. They went on and favored a religion and a tradition. Oh yeah, now they have brought in their own religious and religion person into power. It should do for them what they are asking for. Well, He has not finished attending to his own hometown. It is the north. Huh? This is funny. It's funny and interesting. I love this. This is what they deserve. They asked for it, so let them get it. Let them get it. They thought that President Mobari is the Buhari that they used to know. Huh? They thought it's the Buhari that they used to know. He has not finished with them. By the time he finished with them, then they will know where they stand. They should go and ask questions about him when he was a military leader. They should go and ask questions. I laugh. I laugh. You see, these NSAS protesters are people that we cannot contend with. And as it is now, the federal government, the security force have lost control of them. They have lost control of these youth. Like, seriously. Because there is nothing they can do to them anymore. They can't do anything to them anymore. If they try to attack them, I'm telling you, that is when they will not see the other side of the international organization. Because as it is, the international organization is now watching. It's now watching, like, seriously, to know what is going to be the action of Nigerian government on this youth. You get it? So that is it. So it is now left to them to decide what to do. To decide what to do for this youth. It is either they hear them or they get ready for another protest. Because this youth will go nowhere and will do nothing other than requesting for what they have asked for. What is so difficult? What is so difficult to give to the youth what they have asked for? They haven't asked for too much. They didn't ask for too much. What they asked for is something that the president made promise to do before he assumed office as a president. So, as far as concerned, they are only reminding him of his promises. Yeah, that's what they are doing. They are only reminding him. So it is not left for him to either hit to their core, or he leave them with no choice than to return back to the streets. You understand? So, my viewers, based on all that I've just been said, please, you are invited to come in and leave your own comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.